Flood disaster rages Maiduguri. President Tinubu responds. In a devastating turn of events, Maiduguri, the state capital of Borno State, has been hit by severe flooding, leaving thousands displaced and causing widespread damage. The overflow of Aulau Dam triggered this catastrophe, described as the worst flood in decades. President Bola Tinubu has swiftly responded to the crisis, ordering the immediate evacuation of victims and promising federal assistance to the state. The president has directed the National Emergency Management Agency to provide aid to those affected. Vice President Kashim Shettima, a former governor of Borno State, visited Maiduguri to assess the situation firsthand. He assured residents that the Tinubu administration has developed a comprehensive roadmap to tackle flooding challenges across the nation. The flood's impact has been far-reaching. The University of Maiduguri has temporarily closed its doors. The Central Post Office and Maiduguri Teaching Hospital have also been affected. In a concerning development, the flooding has led to a prison break at the Maiduguri New Correctional Center. Authorities are currently assessing the situation and compiling a list of escapees. The Sanda Kiari Zoo has reported that about 80% of its animals have perished in the flood. More alarming, dangerous animals like crocodiles and snakes have been washed away into nearby communities. This disaster extends beyond Borno State. Yenagoa, the capital of Bayelsa State, has also experienced severe flooding, with hundreds rendered homeless. The flooding has drawn attention from various quarters. Former President Muhammadu Buhari has described it as a national calamity. The Northern State Governors Forum has extended its sympathies and called for increased support from the federal government and humanitarian organizations. We'll be following this story closely as it unfolds. Stay tuned for more updates at NaijaNewsTV.